Hi, my name is Amanda Rocha. I'm an estate planning and probate attorney in California, and today we're going to talk about how financial planning and estate planning go hand in hand. Before I get into that, I want to give you my contact information. You can find me on my website at www.amandarocalaw.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do so, or you can find me on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. The reason we're talking about this today is because obviously I'm an estate planning attorney. I get clients who are looking for things like wills, trusts, powers of attorney, that kind of thing. However, a complete plan for your life does not just start and end with an estate plan. Financial planning is a huge part of it. Sometimes people come to me with their financial plan already worked out. Sometimes they aren't sure what they want to do, and other times we work together with their financial planner to make sure that everything is cohesive and that they are covered at all ends. So, first of all, I'm going to give you a little overview of what estate planning does, and then I can talk about a few of the most common financial planning techniques that go hand in hand with that and products that people use. So, estate planning is creating a will, creating a trust, creating other ancillary documents in order to protect you when you become incapacitated, whether that's for a short period of time or indefinitely, and to make sure that your property is passed along in the way that you want and to the people that you want in outside of probate, so that your family or your heirs will not have to go through a probate process to get items that are theirs anyway and pay tons of money to do that. It also allows you to plan for your minor children and where they might go if you passed away, as opposed to them having to go through potential foster care situation or lots of court proceedings that way. And in addition, you can put money aside for future generations if you want to, or for your minor children to be managed in a way that you prefer. There's lots of things you could do, but that's basically what estate planning is. Now, financial planning comes in several ways. Most commonly, people have life insurance plans or want life insurance plans, and there are many different kinds that you can have. I'm not a financial planner. I do have a financial advisor, and I work with several financial advisors, whether we have a common clients or they are just people that I know from the industry. So life insurance is a huge benefit that many people want, and I think almost everybody should have. In addition, you could talk about long-term care planning. There is end-of-life planning as far as funeral care and gap insurance and that kind of thing. On top of it, retirement plans and retirement planning. Because as someone who drafts trusts for you, I'm here to tell you that not every trust is going to have life insurance and retirement attached to it, and nor should it. And there are certain specific accounts that don't actually need to have trust with them, and that a will cannot devise. So these kinds of accounts, like your 401k, your pension, your life insurance policy, long-term care, most of that isn't going to be included in your trust, but they can work together and we can use them as safety nets for each other and plan around that way, so that we make sure that all your beneficiaries are together, and they're going to be the correct people and up to date, and that there's a safety net in case your beneficiaries lapse and your estate can take this on without it going through probate. Those are the most common things. There are many other ways that a financial planner and an estate planner could get together and talk. It could be about different accounts, money market accounts, your regular checking and savings accounts, other kinds of stocks, bonds, annuities. All of that can work together with an estate plan. And if you maybe don't know everything that you have, or you aren't very clear, it is possible for your estate planning attorney and your financial planner to talk to each other and work together if you have approved that they talk to each other about you. And we can make sure that you are covered in all areas. If you are creating a financial plan and you don't have an estate plan, they're probably going to ask you about it, and vice versa. And it's important that each person kind of knows what you have, so that we don't counteract each other. We want to work together for you to make your life easier and more cohesive. If you have questions about this, please feel free to contact me. You can find me on my website at www.amandarochala.com. You can comment down below if this platform allows you to do that, or you can follow me along on social media at Amanda Rocha Law. Thank you.